Okay, so the next one here is the carrot. Roll out the orange, cut it. You don't really need the top part because that's going to be green. So just go ahead and give it a little cut there. Cut off the top, like so. Flip it on over. Water behind it. Pop it on. I got a little water on it, so I need to dry it with some cornstarch so when I dust it, it won't stick to that area. Okay, that's good for that. Then I need something to make little lines in it. You can use a toothpick or this knife and scriber tool and just kind of make little lines like it's a carrot. Imagine that. Okay, and then what I usually do is take some spiced pumpkin, which is a luster dust. It's an orange luster dust. And wherever I kind of made those little lines, I just put some on there. And then just brush the excess off. Just gives a little bit of variation of color. Okay, then what we can do is take the green, knead this up a little bit. We're going to use the same cutter here. Okay, but when I roll it out, this is what I do. I place it down like this, and then I'll take it and I'll put this right in the middle and roll down, kind of like what we did for the bow tie, like that. And then I'll take the cutter and I'll cut this way. That way it's a little thicker here than down here. Cut this off. Okay, and then I'll just make some lines in it before we even put it on there. Water. And then just pop that on there. If you want to, you can cut, cut in like this and make like a little, like it sticks out a little bit more around the edge. Or you can leave it. Guess I can't leave it now, can I?